Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm really excited to bring you this recipe of fried mushroom sandwich. Yes, this is mushroom and not chicken. You don't believe me? You will very soon. Let's get straight into it. First we need to make the marinade. For that we need a cup of yogurt, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and a tablespoon of hot sauce. I am using Frank's Red Hot sauce. Since I'm not using buttermilk, the acidity in Frank's Red Hot sauce will give this marinade the sourness it needs. Mix all the ingredients of this marinade together until it's all combined and there are no lumps. Cover and chill this marinade, and now let's make the seasoned flour. First, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. You can also use cayenne pepper if you want. Mix all the dry ingredients together and set the bowl aside. Here I have about 200 grams of oyster mushrooms. I have rinsed them in cold water, trimmed their ends, and pat dried them with paper towel. Now dip the oyster mushrooms into the marinade, 3-4 pieces at a time. Let the mushrooms sit in the marinade for about 10 seconds. Because of its sponge-like texture, the mushroom will quickly absorb the required amount of marinade. Take the mushroom pieces out of the marinade and coat them with the seasoned flour. Be sure to shake off excess marinade off your mushroom before putting it into the dry mix. Some interesting fun facts about oyster mushroom. It is very low calorie and contains no cholesterol at all. It is highly recommended for people with high blood pressure and high cholesterol. But besides its health benefits, this mushroom is really great tasting. It has a subtle flavor, so no matter what you make out of it, it tastes really great. Repeat the process with the remaining mushrooms. This classic recipe of Louisiana-style fried chicken sandwich has everything except for the chicken in it. And trust me, you're not gonna miss it. Not sure how you feel about this, but these pieces of mushroom looks and feel exactly like chicken thighs. And now to fry our mushrooms. Fill a pot halfway through with the oil of your choice and heat it on a medium flame until it reaches about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And while we wait for the oil to heat up, let's make a sauce for our sandwich. For this sauce, I'm using some mayonnaise, some hot sriracha sauce, and some ketchup. Some people call it pink sauce, some call it special sauce. Up to you, whatever you call it, it's just delicious. Depending on your preference, you can adjust the quantity of ketchup and hot sauce as you like. Simply mix them together and it's ready to be used in our sandwich. Now let's check our oil. A quick way of checking the temperature of oil is by dipping a chopstick. When you see gentle sizzling at the top of your chopsticks, the oil is ready to fry. Now let's fry our chicken, the mushroom pieces, in batches, about 3-4 pieces at a time. Do not overcrowd the oil as it will make the temperature go down and the mushroom pieces will absorb a lot of oil and it will be soggy. Due to its high water content, you don't have to cook oyster mushrooms for more than 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes, and as you can see, our crispy succulent pieces of fried oyster mushroom is ready. Take them out on a cooling rack and repeat the process with the remaining mushrooms. Sprinkle a gentle amount of kosher salt on top. And now the wait is over and it's time to assemble our sandwich. On the bottom half of a toasted brioche bun, apply a generous amount of the sandwich spread we made earlier. Now put couple of pieces of pickles, some lettuce, our crispy fried chicken, the crispy fried oyster mushrooms, a slice of tomato, and that's it. That's all you need, and this bad boy is all yours. Not only this sandwich looks and tastes great, it's also a healthier option and a great meat alternative. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, and until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.